Discourse analysis is the study of the language beyond the sentence. According to Michael McCarthy, spoken discourse refers to oral communication acts. Furthermore, to analyze a piece of real spoken language, it is necessary to understand the context. Hello, my name is Armando Raúl Baños Guzmán, and this is a video which purposes analyzing a piece of oral discourse sample, focusing on some aspects of the language. This sample comes from the sitcom 2.5 Men, Season 2, Episode 6. In the first scene, the Harpers are seated at the table of a fancy restaurant. Evelyn, Alan, Charles, and Jake check the menu. Evelyn starts the conversation with a transition mark. She says, "So, dear." However, Jake decides to take the turn by interrupting his grandmother and answer, "What?" To analyze turn taking, your tool classifies the turn taking participants under two categories: rudeness and shyness. Rudeness refers to participants who cut in the speaker's utterances, not allowing them finish the locutionary act, while shyness refers to participants who wait for opportunities to talk, like pauses or silences, and then they take the turn. In this case, Jake is characterized as a rude when taking the turn, because he interrupts Evelyn's utterance. Another way to analyze this fragment is through adjacency pairs. According to McCarthy, turn taking is related to adjacency pairs because it is a two-pair exchange. In this case, the utterance dear refers to a person, and this person is Jake. Therefore, Jake would be characterized as a shy participant in taking the turn, since he would be completing the adjacency pair and not interrupting Evelyn. Given that when we are spoken to, we generally answer what. For example, my mother talks to me, "Armando," and I can answer what. It's very common. So the conversation between Evelyn and Jake continues on a confusion about homophones, dear and dear. Nevertheless, Evelyn stopped discussing with Jake and asked the group, "What's wrong with him?" And Alan says, "Jake, it's the deer in the forest, like Bambi." So, according to Huta, Yulu, and Herman, the illocutionary acts revolve the speaker's intention, while the perlocutionary acts is the listener's reaction. It's like intention and reaction. Thus, the previous expressions, previous utterances, could be interpreted as an illocutionary act, since Evelyn requires information about Jake's behavior, and this act triggered a perlocutionary act because Alan needs to clarify to his son what venison means. Francis Cornish explained that the spoken discourse is an ongoing interpretation that revolves the speaker's communicative intentions. So, when performing this analysis, it was possible to appreciate two categories of turn taking, and how this can be identified when relating to adjacency pairs. Likewise, it was possible to understand how illocutionary acts can change the behavior of participants in a conversation through a perlocutionary act.